everyone. I hope you're doing well. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous fall day. We're just enjoying the sunshine so much, and I'm going to take care of our chickens, our little chickie ladies, and I thought you'd want to join me along for the ride. We love to feed them an organic feed that has no corn and no soy in it, and give them as much as they want. We give them tons of garden and vegetable scraps all day long, as much as we can, and then keep their water going. For the inside chickens. Whoop! Hi, sweetheart. You want some pepper plants? Snowball, what are you so concerned about? They got quite a bit of food, but I'm just gonna top it off for them. I like to give them a lot when it's colder at night. Hey, sweet girl. Hey, sweet girls. We have 19 of them. We have a mix between oh, that's chocolate chip. She is, I believe, a sapphire gem, but the rest are the black Australorp, super friendly, Buff Orpington. Hi, sweetheart. This is a green egger. We just got the sapphire gem and green eggers from Tractor Supply as a fun, like, getting our chicks before we got the other chicks. The other ones we got from, wasn't Murray McMurray because they were out. I think Sebastian will link the other website, but I love our girls. They lay eggs for us. We have 15, I think, so far out of the 19. They lay eggs for us every day, but they are just so sweet. So sweet. We love them so much. I don't speak chicken, but I'm learning their language. Sometimes they'll do that around laying egg time. Sometimes it'll be when there's someone here, and sometimes it's when I bring them food. So I don't know if she's excited that I brought her food or upset that. But they love and they wait for me to bring food and watch for me. You want back in, don't you? Do you want back in? But they wait and wait for their treats. They love it. And they'll come running, as you saw here, come running, trying so hard to get back in. He's our little chicken expert. And Chocolate Chip is so sweet. We love them all, but she's just super friendly. They're around me. There they are, pecking at me.
They like to peck my
The
fingers.
Buff Orpington, these brown ones, and the black Australorp are supposed to be the most docile, kid-friendly, so that's why we got them. And I'd say they all, I think just because we raised them as chicks and held them, I think that's the most important thing, is just hold them constantly. They all are super sweet. Those are the Americanas. They're picked on a little more as, you know, the pecking order because they're smaller, but they lay the most beautiful blue eggs, so we're trying to get them calmed down and tamed. But we love our girls. They're so fun. We just love having them. Such fun, sweethearts. And we got to go take care of that situation in our flower bed. Uh-oh. Bye. You big naughties. What are you doing in Mama's flower bed? You big naughties. What was that, Luca? Listen to Mrs. McGregor? That's right. Oh, girl. And during the colder months too, or winter, the chickens love having a lot of fat and protein. So all year round, but especially then, we try to give them a lot of the dried worms, or like black soldier flies, the black seed sunflowers, stuff like that, that they love getting that fat and that protein from. Just like us, smart, how the body works. And then in the summer, we try to keep them really hydrated by giving them frozen fruit, a lot of times watermelon or just fresh watermelon, all different kinds of frozen fruit, and they love that to help keep them hydrated. So hope that helps. Some nasturtium treats. Nasturtium treats. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing our chickens and taking care of them. So thanks, guys. Enjoy. Bye.